Let's discuss about election campaign. Election campaign means the promotion of the policies, offers and promises that a candidates make to voters to fulfill if they are elected. In this way, voters can decide the condition to vote for. They vote for the candidate whose policies they like. In our country, election campaign takes place for a 2-week period between the announcement of final list of candidates and the date of polling. During this period, the candidates contact their electorate, political leader, address election meeting, and political parties mobilize their supporters. This is also the period when the print media and television news are full of election related stories and debates. Political parties prepare their election manifestos. In election campaign, political parties try to focus public attention on some big issues. They want to attract the public to that issue and get them to vote for their party on that basis. It means it is a kind of attraction made by political parties to gain more and more votes. Let's see some of the slogans given by different political parties to attract the voters. The Congress party, led by Indira Gandhi, gave the slogan of Garibi Hatao, means remove poverty, in the Lok Sabha elections of 1971. The party promised to reorient all the policies of the government to remove poverty from the country. Save democracy was the slogan given by Janata Party in the Lok Sabha election held in 1977. The party promised to undo the excesses committed during emergency and resolve civil liberties. The Left Front used the slogan "The land to the tillers" in West Bengal Assembly elections held in 1977. Protection of self-respect of Telugus was the slogan used by N.T. Ramarao, the leader of Telugu Desam Party in Andhra Pradesh Assembly election in 1983. अच्छे दिन आने वाले हैं, good days are coming, was the slogan of Bharatiya Janata Party for the 2014 Indian general elections. By these methods, most of the political parties gain votes. Look at the 3 slogans given by different political parties during different election campaign. Students, do you know what is Code of Conduct and laws? Let's discuss something about them. To regulate election campaign, there are some election laws. According to these laws, no party or candidate can bribe or threaten voters, appeal to them in the name of caste or religion, use government resources for election campaign, spend more than rupees 25 lakh in a constituency for a Lok Sabha election or rupees 10 lakh in a constituency in an assembly election. If any party or candidate is found practicing any of the above, their candidate can be rejected by the court even after they have won the election. In addition to the laws, all political parties in our country have agreed to a model code of conduct for election campaign. According to this, no party or candidate can use any place of worship for election propaganda. No candidate can use government vehicles, aircrafts, and officials for elections. Once elections are announced, ministers shall not lay foundation stones of any project, taken any big policy decision, or make any promise of providing public facilities. On the day when the voters cast or pool their vote is called an election day. Every person whose name is on the voters list can go to a nearby polling booth and cast his or her vote through a secret ballot. Once the voter goes inside the booth, the election official identify him or her, put a mark on the voter's finger, and allow him or her to cast his or her vote. An agent of each candidate is allowed to sit inside the polling booth and ensure that voting takes place in a fair way. Earlier, voting was done by putting a stamp on the ballot paper. A ballot paper is a sheet of paper on which the name of the contesting candidates along with their party name and symbol are listed. Now, electronic voting machines are used to record votes, where voters possesses button against the name of his candidate he or she wants to cast his or her vote. You can see in this photograph, people are sitting. Do you know why they are sitting? Yes, you are writing. It is the day of counting of votes. Once the polling is over, all the EVMs, that is electronic voting machines, are sealed and taken to a secret place. A few days later, on a day fixed, all EVMs are opened and the votes secured by each candidate are counted. The candidate who secures the highest number of votes from a constituency is declared elected.